So today I'm going to show you how to sign up and manage your subscription. So first, visit our website. Then choose the product you want to receive on a recurring basis. For example, our laundry detergent. Choose subscribe and save. Choose your desired quantity and frequency. Add to cart and continue shopping. Once you're happy with your cart, just proceed with the purchase. So click on checkout, fill out your information, proceed, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to manage your subscription, make sure you have an account set up with us and log in. Once you're logged in, click on Manage Subscription. Here you can see the list of all your active subscriptions. Click on the one you want to modify. Here you can change the quantity, delivery frequency, shipping address, or payment method. If you want to add some products, just simply click on Add Products and choose the product you want to add. Voila, you're all set up. Now just sit back and wait for your delivery.